Good morning, guys. Today we have a fun one for you. We are going to break apart the super load trailer and get it ready to haul a what? A 25 compactor. So you'll get to see us break the trailer apart and put the compactor plates on. So hang on for the fun. So we pulled the trailer down. Rick's setting it, the main part of the trailer, onto the ground. You can't see from up here. I will then disconnect these hoses and she'll be able to pull away and go park it. So I didn't show this on camera, but when we drop from the super load trailer, we do lower the Jeep's airbags, and I did raise them back up. I just didn't put them on camera. So we will park the Jeep, get the flip box off, and then I'll show you guys how we do the compactor plates. Okay, so we're up to the flip box. We've got our strap. Rich just hooked the middle hook. Now he'll get the flip box into position where we can take the pins off. So we'll take these out. Hold on. I apologize for that. That was horrible. Here. Okay, the flip box is free, and there's one. We obviously put the bottom pins back in here. There's that one. Cool. Here's the pin. Yeah. Thank you. Go in like that. Turn it, lock it, and that turns it and locks it into place. Okay. Or you can do it this way. Oh, you're gonna give me problems. Okay. And then last but not least, the kingpin goes back in her spot. So Rick will go park the flip box. I gotta climb down and get to it. He'll hook back up, and we will go to the compactor plates. As you can see, we are hooked up, riding on the first notch. T18 or the lead sled has a ride height of 15 inches, so that's why she's used as our specialty trailer now. Sorry, I haven't gotten able to paint her neck yet. So we have arrived at the compactor plates. Let me get situated and we will explain what they are. Okay, these are the compactor plates. Rick made these years ago. These go on our trailers when we haul compactors to protect our wood. Obviously we've got a right side, a left side, and then these also go with it. These came off of a track machine. They go at the base of the ramps to help the compactor crawl, and then these mats go on top of the compactor plates to help the compactor move up more swimmingly. So I've got to set you down because these are heavy. So the idea of these is we get the edge of the metal as close to the edge of the boards as possible. Yeah, you're over actually.
You're gonna line up that hole right there. Change these line up there.
Yeah, that looks good. So he'll bring it up. And by the way, we have a smaller forklift, but it's broken, that we usually use for the compactor plates. So we're improvising. He'll slide out, and then he will gently nudge the edge of the steel. And as you can see, the hooks will automatically hook into the trailer. It's much easier with smaller Fords. See? They've hooked. Then we'll run the... Yeah. This side's out a little more.
Needs to go in a little more?
Yeah. And then we'll take the chain, run it through the hole, and binder them down the middle, but I'll show you that. Right there. Yeah. That's better. Yeah, much better. I thought I'd show you guys a faster version. Okay, so now we'll take the chains through the holes, binder them with 3/8 binders, and put the mats and the track pads in one of the wells. It's pretty simple, and it saves the wood. And the 836 compactor obviously went over, but with an 825 or anything smaller, these are the perfect size. So it's a win-win for us. So that's where the mats will ride. Here is one of the chains holding onto the compactor. The other one's back there too. But that's how you put compactor plates on. And the stuff that we use to help assist the compactor. We're gonna pull in the building. I'm gonna gauge the tires. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe.